So what have you found? When you use -3, what was coming on? You guys know and solved when x is equal to -3. Oh, when k is equal to -3, who solved it? You get me? Yeah, not good. So you multiply here. What are the solutions?
We solve after the class.
Oh, all right.
Yes, because we need time to go through.
Okay, thank you. You got right. Good. Okay, another one is you let P of x be equal
So
to.
you give us another one.
That one is nice already. You just need to solve it. So if this polynomial, let this be a polynomial, given that x minus 2 is a factor of P of x, and that the remainder when P of x is divided by x minus 3 is 10. Find the values of A and of B. Another nice one. This one, when you go in test 2, in fact, it will start in the quiz. Then you will find it in the test, fully packed, like this. And it will be there also in the exam. So you can decide now whether to get 0 on this question or to get everything. So let's go for getting everything. We are told that this is a factor. If it's a factor, we get it, equate it to 0, and find the value of x. 2. Meaning P of 2 should be equal to 0 because it's a factor. So you substitute where there is x, you take 2. So we have 2 to the power 3 minus 2 to the power 2 plus 2a plus 2 is equal to 0, giving us 8 minus 4, that is 4 plus 2a plus this is b, okay, plus b is equal to 0, which is the same thing as saying that b is equal to -4 minus 2a. The second statement is that the remainder when px is divided by x minus 3. Now we talk about x minus 3 equated to 0. Get the value of x is equal to 3. So you say, if I now do p of 3, I should be able to get 10. Because that is the remainder. Because it's not a fact. So we must know the remainder for us to use this device. Minus 3 squared plus 3a plus b is equal to 10, implies that we have 27 minus 9, which is 18, plus 3a plus, this is b. This same b is what we have here as negative 4 minus 2a is equal to 10, implying that we now have 18 minus 4, which is 14, 3a minus 2a, which is a, is equal to 10, which implies that a is equal to 10 minus 14, which is negative 4. If that is the case, then we substitute to find b. Negative 4 minus 2, a is negative 4. So we get negative 4 plus 8 is equal to positive 4. Therefore, a is negative 4, b is positive 4. So I found the values a and b.
And Bawley and Co.
Another one. If the remainder when f of x is equal to 3x3 plus 4x squared minus ax plus 1 is divided by 3x minus 2 is 7/3. Find the value of a. Hence, express f of x in the form f of x is equal to 3x minus 2 multiplied by qx plus r, where q is the quotient, and R is the remainder. Solution.
With the early throw in this second half at the
Solution.
National Stadium.
If the remainder when f of x is divided by 3x minus 2, so we get this guy to 0 and get the value of x is 2/3. So if we substitute this value of x, we're getting the remainder 7/3. This means that f of 2/3 is equal to 7/3. So we can find the missing variable a. So we say 2/3 to the power 3 plus 4 2/3 power 2 minus 2/3a plus 1 is equal to 7/3. This means we have 8/27 plus 4 4/9 minus 2/3a plus 1 is 7/3. Then 3 here 1, 3 here 9. So we have 8/9 plus 16/9 minus 2/3a plus 1 is 7/3. Multiplying throughout by 9, we'll get 8 plus 16 minus 6a. Since 3 into 9, we get 3. So 3 times 2, we get 6a. Plus 9 plus 3 into 9 again, we get 3 times 7, we get 21. We get 21. So now 8 plus 16, that's 24, plus 9, that's 33. Take it the other side, we have negative 6a is equal to 21 minus 33. That is 12.
Tight, very tight.
Must be negative, no? Let's confirm. 33 minus 21. Yeah, it's 12. So we divide by negative 6, divide by negative 6. So we get a is equal to positive 2. This is the value of a that is required. And then from there, you must express this in the required form. So you use synthetic division. The factor is already known. I mean, the divisor is 2/3. And then we place the coefficients 3, 4, negative a, that is negative 2, and then 1. And then we place 3 down, multiply, we get 2, add 6, multiply, we get 4, add 2, multiply, we get 4/3, add, we get the remainder which is given there, 7/3. So say the function f of x must be expressed as 3x minus 2 multiplied by the quotient, and the quotient is here. So the quotient is 3x squared plus 6x plus 2. And then plus the remainder, which is 7 over 3. So we have gotten the squared thing. Like this one. Your task. So here we are about 12, 13 including myself. So you have that question 1, and then another question will be come from us. I have some. Another question.
Is offside. Well, just for a second, I thought Kibu was through. But Kibu has been given
when
x. Was it a push?
1 no 1
For a push, actually.
when k when k is equal to -3 of p of x to
decision, but a little bit of hope at least for Tanzania. Here they come again with Samata. Samata does well.
So the polynomial f of x is equal to ax3 plus 5x squared minus bx minus 6. It leaves a remainder -12 when divided by x minus 1. If also x plus 2 is a factor of f of x 1.
Yes, how are you?
Find the value.
I've been calling. The number was busy.
And b 2 factorize the polynomial.
Now, that assignment, where do you see it?
F of x completely. Solve f of x is equal to 0. So
It's which course?
the inequality.
Because he said the inform your friends, but then I'll give you the
F of x
assignment.
is less or equal to 0.
No.
And solve the inequality. F of x is greater than 0.
Nigeria so far survived the early onslaught.
Submit.
Tanzania in the second half.
Before class.
Scored, but there was a push
Come on.
there. Samata trying his luck from distance.
Oh. Yes.
delighted with how things have gone so far.
No,
I haven't read
The
it.
line of Tanzania
no,
this side with Amora.
not.
Yeah, that because for Narume Kaidi. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What
Side
was?
for Algeria. Zerouki.
What time are we meeting tomorrow?
Okay.
Okay, where?
Cut out with those ball to a white shirt. Here's Amora. Amora in the box. Amora. It's straight from Amora. This could be two. And it's wide. There was a real chance for Malali. And Tanzania, very, very grateful to see that go wide, but it was a nice move. And we can see why Amora was brought on.
So do we have to solve the inequality after finding the values of A and B,
Yes.
or we can just go directly?
Can't go there. Without knowing A and B.
So we first solve for A and B, then
You solve for A and B, and then
the equality at last.
inequality. No, you solve them in order. There's somewhere they are there. Find A and B. Then the next. Then
Hey guys,
Just like that.
she wants to be serious at a very long time.
so you find A and B.
Yeah.
You factorize completely. Then you after you factorize completely,
As we,
then you solve equal
as
to
we
0,
just excused
less or equal
ourselves
to 0,
once.
greater than 0. So I guide more further. Use the table here. I use the table test. Use the table test. Then here, use the number line.
Yes. Yeah.
It's not quite as accurate.
Yeah. I want to keep you busy. So we're just few here. This is like we're now 12. Other has left. So 11. I can't fail to check through
I'm
all
up
the
to
11.
second slide.
Shimani comes back.
Mm,
Throw is one.
okay.
Score against the line.
The previous question is
Okay.
question 6C.
Let me also make the presentation.
Question 6 is C part 2 of last year's paper. Here Px is equal to
Hey,
Kx power 3
Tanzania maybe.
hey.
minus 3
Nicely done from Samara.
x squared minus 5 Kx
Samata still. Samata.
minus 9.
All right. All right. Thank you.
So I've already found that K is equal to plus or minus 3, and we use positive 3. Now I want you to use K is equal to minus 3 to solve P of X is equal to 0. Okay, I'll upload the videos after my next class.
Cup of Nations qualifying. It's the second round of
So this one
matches.
ends here. Have a good
Won
night.
their first match. Well placed. Another one here. 1-0 up. The goal.
Yeah.